Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford F-150. Stock number is A7063A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a sharp feel. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Firestone Destination tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed now. There's a spray-in bed liner that's going to keep the bed very safe. And then you do have the foldable hardcover here on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have heated seats, cruise audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here, four-wheel drive, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and then you also have an auxiliary input and a USB port. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.